Hey guys, what's up? What's up? This is my Smoothest jet nose. Super glossy and shiny too.
Damn!
Take a closer look at this. Amazing, right? So I'm going to bring this to my jet nose collection. It's lag, guys. Jet nose is causing lag. All right, there you go. Ah! All right, collision off. So this is my jet nose collection. This also includes the jet flight mechanics. There they are. I'm going to delete these guide blocks, except for the center block. Guys, center blocks are very important. As you can see, all my jet nose have it. So do not delete center blocks, okay? And look how smooth it is compared to the golden steel jet nose. Well, this is also smooth, but you can clearly see the lines. This one doesn't have lines at all. My metal steel jet nose, my original steel jet nose, kinda smooth too, right? But made out of titanium. The 45-degree jet nose, well, of course, no contest against the smoothest. It's kinda rounded too, but definitely not an absolute round like this. And this is the regular jet nose rotation, rotated with rotate 15. It's kinda smooth too, but can still see the lines. By the way, this is for some Russian fighter jets. As you can see, the direction of the nose is pointing downwards. So 202 blocks for metal steel jet nose, 662 for my original steel jet nose, 248 for the 45-degree jet nose. The Russian jet nose have 376 blocks. The golden steel jet nose 414 in half, so it's like 800 in full. The smoothest jet nose, guys, 7,169. Believe it or not, it's very easy to do, guys. Alright, let's do this, guys! Place 5 blocks like this. Delete the first 4 blocks. The remaining block is the center block. Place block here. Reduce scale of the sides with 0.95. Scale it like this. Place block on top. Switch rotate to 1. So before placing blocks, rotate 1 first, then place block. Do it until the blocks reach the stick. With scale 0.04, scale these blocks 1 time like this. By the way, make transparency to 0. You can change color too. With scale 0.02 or 0, reduce scale of these blocks until they are aligned with each other to make them smooth. Must start from here. Reduce the scale of this to align the edge with the stick. Using scale 0.1, reduce scale of the blocks from the bottom like this. Delete the stick. Place 2 guide blocks. Reduce sides with scale 0.5. Scale 2 times to the other side with scale 2. Scale 1 more for all sides. With 0.96, reduce both sides of these blocks. Clone these blocks. Make sure to select guide block last. Move it back to original position, but do not release the blocks yet. Switch to rotate, then we gotta use rotate 1 for this. So rotate 1 time. Delete the clone guide blocks and center block. Then do the cloning process again. This time change rotate to 2 and rotate 1 time. Delete the clone guide blocks, and with move 10, move the center block for a while. Now do the cloning process again. This time switch to rotate 4 and rotate 1. Cloning process again. But now switch to rotate 8, then rotate 1. Cloning process again. But now switch to rotate 16, then rotate 1 time. Cloning process again. But now switch to rotate 32, then rotate 1 time. Cloning process again. But now, switch to rotate 64, and usually when I rotate with this, there will be something wrong like this. So what I do is I rotate it back one time, so it should look like this. Then switch to mirror, make sure to select guide block last, press the dot on the side, then we'd move to merge it with the original. Mirror again, then press the dot on top or bottom. Then we'd move to merge it with the original. Now look at this, guys! The smoothest jet nose! Let's do some durability tests with this! I'm going to place dynamite inside, guys. Oh! What's happening? It's so long! Oh, look at that! Not everything has been destroyed! These are just glass blocks, guys! I was expecting that everything will be gone! Cool! This time, let's uncheck anchor. Log! Kaboom! Some parts fly, guys! Alright, I hope you learned something, guys. By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now, click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!